Yo, what is up, everybody? Bradley Walker here.
And Jared 7 Graham.
In today's video, we are going to tell you guys how to go about taking our Forex signals. We call these out as trade ideas. We want to give you guys more in depth on how we actually take these trades ourselves, because these are trades that we're actually taking on our own personal accounts. So we want to give you guys some more insight on how we go about taking these trades on a day-to-day basis.
Yeah, guys, we're going to show you exactly how to take these signals successfully, how to take our trade alerts successfully. Some people call them signals, trade alerts, same thing. We're going to show you something we wrote in our Forex chat in our Discord community that was literally the exact breakdown that if people follow this, they should have similar results. We can't say exactly that you will because disclaimer, anything can happen, but this is exactly how we created the results that we will show at the end of the video in our profit section, which is also in our Discord community that you can have access to. Going to copymyprofits.com and signing up, doing our 7-day free trial, or getting on our free course. So we're going to go to our Discord now and show that. All right, guys, I'm going to just show you guys what I said, and this is a literal breakdown of how to successfully take our signals. So you can also access this in our Discord going to our Forex chat, but we'll read it here as well. Okay, so it says check out the profit section. I hit 8 TPs in a row over the last day. It actually was 10. I'm telling you guys, what's been working for me best is setting a manual mental stop loss and setting TP2 for every trade. The stop loss is a guide. Definitely recommend at least setting an alert at stop loss, but many of times I don't set the stop loss on my trades and I let them ride out, and most end up hitting TP. But it's definitely up to you guys to set stop loss or TPs or get out manually, but you have to have correct risk management and low lots for your account size to achieve this successfully. Slow and steady wins the race. So that's pretty much what I've said there, and this is the exact thing that's been working for my account, and you'll see the results a little bit later in the video.
All right, guys, so you can also see here, piggybacking off of what Seven just said, one of our members here, I couldn't agree more. I don't set stop loss anymore, just trade at a safe lot size and let it ride out. LOL, it's been working.
One of our best students as well.
Definitely one of our best students, one of our most successful students thus far. But yeah, so there's something called stop hunting. There's something called liquidity grab. There's a lot of different names for it, but essentially when you place that stop loss, a lot of times if you have traded in the past, you may notice the trade goes exactly to that point, hits your stop loss, and then it comes back in the right direction. Now, that's not necessarily a bad thing. If you stick to your guns, you set that stop loss and your trade closes at that point, you're sticking to your risk management, and that is great. But what we have found out to work the best due to stop hunting, due to the liquidity grabs, which is where a brokerage, market maker, big bank, anything like that will essentially push a currency pair to a certain point, because there is something called depth of market where you can actually see the amount of trades and where people got in, the lot size they used, take profit, the entry, the stop loss zone. You can literally see the exact information on the trades people are taking. And sometimes there is shady people out there, shady big players in the market that are going to push that to that exact zone to grab liquidity, to clear people out of the opposing side of a trade, and then the trade will continue in the right direction with less resistance. There's a lot of reasons for this. Sometimes it's but yeah, so I am going to read my response to this and just give you guys a breakdown on what I basically do with the trades. So I say exactly my recent XAU USD signal is a prime example of this. I called out a gold trade. It literally went up, hit the stop loss damn near exactly before going down and hitting our second take profit on that. I recommend downloading the investing.com app and setting price alerts. If trading on a mobile device, we're setting them in MT4 or 5 on your desktop platform. So like Seven was saying, a mental stop, you can literally go in and set a price alert at the stop loss that we call out or the stop loss that you determine on your own. That way you'll be notified when that currency pair hits that exact price. Then you can pull up the charts. We're sending out trade updates, but you can pull up the charts to go in and see what is going on. Is there a support or resistance line there? Oftentimes there is, because we're looking for a breakout in the opposing direction to basically decide that our trade analysis was wrong. So you want to see kind of what is going on there. You can then send a message to us, hit up the Forex chat and say, hey hey guys, this is approach stop loss area. What are you guys doing at this point? We can give you updates, and so can some of the other members. So you definitely want to have those price alerts. But again, this is what we do. So what I'm saying right here is this way you can gauge if the trade is going to hit the stop loss area and simply break back in the right direction. Have to be careful of liquidity. Again, I've talked about this. You have to be careful of liquidity grabs and stop hunting. When you place a trade, your trade will appear in the DOM, which is depth of market. It's a measure of the supply and demand for liquid tradable assets. It is based on the number of open buy and sell orders for a given asset. If you also set a stop loss, this will appear in the DOM, and markets can often push an asset to the exact point to stop you out in order to free up opposing sides of a trade, which will allow the currency to move easier in the proper direction. So definitely something you want to pay attention to. This is how we go about taking our own trades that we are calling out. We're simply giving these out as trade ideas, trade alerts, trade signals for you guys to see the trades that we are taking on a day-to-day basis. We give out these stop losses and take profits or risk and reward targets as a courtesy to show you guys where we're looking to get out of a trade if it goes against us, or where we're going to get out if the trade goes for us. So you don't have to follow it exactly. These are simply our own trades that we are calling out, our trade ideas, to help give you guys a better idea of different trade setups that we are seeing on the day, to give you guys some insight on that.
All right, guys, I hope that was a great breakdown of that. Now we're going to go to our profit section and actually show you the results of our advice or our method.
All right, guys, so these are some of the profits from Seven and I from following these exact methods on how we take these trades on our own actual live accounts. So scrolling through here, you can see multiple profits, some of our members catching profits from our advice, some of the alerts that we called out, more profits. You can see it continues and continues and continues. 5 TPs hit today. Profits from members, profits from members. Fucking insane 8 TPs hit, which we just broke down for you guys. Now it was 10 TPs hit. Profits, just showing these profits consistently. And now we want to show you guys the accounts that we were able to grow from taking these exact trades that we're calling out to our team and sticking to our exact method. Now, obviously there's a lot more to our trading than simply doing mental stops and, you know, setting TP2 like Seven was saying. There's a lot more to it, but these are just to give you guys some ideas of how we're taking these trades. So we're going to pull this up here, show you some of the profits that Seven was able to acquire from simply following this method. Starting balance of 25K. You could see profits, a little bit of minor losses, ended up turning that 25K after the swap into 223. It's fucking insane.
Yeah. Big cash. And then this is the alien ET-ness.
Yeah, so you can see here, started this account on mine at 25K as well. Profits, solid profits, ended up catching a crazy Bitcoin trade. Definitely made some serious profits, but caught some minor losses as well. And if we continue down here, some more losses, had a losing day pretty bad that day, but ended up coming out of this account with 563 in profit. Absolutely insane. From simply following these trades that we are calling out to you in our Discord, you can get 7-day free access and sticking to the methods that we are teaching our members on a day-to-day basis.
So this is exactly how to take our signals successfully, as the title of this video is. So hopefully that helps you guys out. And if you watch this video and you're not typing in copymyprofits.com, are you stupid or are you dumb? Basically.
I was not expecting that at all. Oh my God, yeah, it's just hilarious. All right, guys, yeah, like Seven was saying, go to copymyprofits.com. Link is going to be in the description of this video. Get limited time, can't emphasize that enough, limited time, 7-day access to our trade community where you can copy our exact trades, get access to our news bots, and a lot of other value and content is in that group that we have for you guys. You can also get access to our free basic Forex trading course where you can learn the basics of how to get set up trading the foreign exchange markets. As always, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our videos. And as always, thanks for watching.